We're going to be unboxing the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. This is going to be an upgrade to the Nest Wi-Fi router that I got about 3 years ago. This is the latest from Google, the Nest Wi-Fi Pro. And as you can tell by the box here, this is a previously returned item from Amazon. I like picking these up. I actually got this one almost 50% off. These are normally would be about $300 for a 2-pack. I think Google may have had them on sale recently for $250. I'll put a link in the description to Amazon because what's nice about getting stuff off Amazon, if you already have an Amazon account, the ease of checkout. I like that Google has their products on there now, but sometimes you can get open box or used items. So we will see how this turned out and if there's anything missing from inside there. So here are the two routers. I believe, if I understand it correctly, that in the new setup, yeah, these look identical, that the router and the access point are the same box or the same unit there. And then in here, we have our two AC adapters, so that's good. And right there. Anything else underneath this? Nope. So we have the 2 units, 2 AC adapters. Hey, that's all we can ask for. This was marked as acceptable condition, if I recall correctly. Which honestly, everything seems just fine so far. I'm imagining that was just because of the box. A lot of times the condition is because the box is in a certain condition, and so if you're getting something unacceptable, it could be the box is damaged or taped over, or it might not even come in the original box. But you save a ton of money, and if you don't care about the box, which I don't, I'm just going to throw it away, sometimes you get some really good deals there. 2 power adapters, and then let's see, inside each one of these we're getting a Cat6 Ethernet cable, and that's it in there. And then same thing here, our second power adapter, and no Ethernet cable in there. I don't know if that's because this was an open box item, a returned item, and maybe that cable wasn't brought back, or if they're assuming this setup is going to be one's used as a router, one's a access point, and you don't need the Ethernet cable for the second access point. So this is what they look like. They're real sleek, clean designs. I don't know. A design is a design to me, but kind of like the old design a little bit better. I don't know if I necessarily like the shiny glossiness to it. Yeah, your 2 plugs on the back, one for your internet connection, and then one that can run to your device, and your AC power adapter. So that's what you're going to get in the box with these. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to be doing an upgrade of what I have here. So if you want to see the performance of the Google Nest Pro and how that compares to the Nest Wi-Fi, be sure to subscribe because I'll be doing that video next and giving some comparison of how does the mesh network work. Is the range better on the access points? Is the speed actually noticeably better? Because they advertise the higher throughput on this, the wider bands. Is it really noticeable on a day-to-day on your devices and cell phones in your house? So that's just the unboxing. Subscribe, stay tuned for the full review of those, and specifically as it compares to the original Nest Wi-Fi router. Thanks for watching.